Hey there, luxury car enthusiasts! Ever wondered if the dream of owning a top-notch luxury car could actually come true? Well, buckle up, because today, we're diving into the amazing world of cars and a fascinating showdown between established luxury giants and a new, unexpected contender with details mind-blowing even to the luxurious mind. Join us as we explore its uniqueness and affordability. But before we get into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you won't miss out on any updates about the latest in luxury car trends. Let's roll into the world of opulent rides together. Did you know that the automotive industry is experiencing a seismic shift? A Chinese car manufacturer, Hongqi, is boldly challenging established luxury car brands like Rolls-Royce and Bentley with its extravagant vehicle, the EHS9. This unexpected competition marks a watershed moment, disrupting the norms of the luxury car market. The emergence of Hongqi signifies a notable transformation, reshaping perceptions and expectations within the industry. With its opulent this newcomer is redefining the landscape of automotive luxury. This David versus Goliath scenario highlights automobiles, promising an intriguing and exciting future for car enthusiasts worldwide. Affordability. Can you believe that Hongqi, compared to Rolls-Royce and Bentley, boasts a major advantage in affordability? The Hongqi EHS9 specifically delivers a level of luxury akin to its British counterparts, but at a notably reduced price. This financial accessibility significantly broadens its attractiveness to a wider audience. By offering opulence at a more attainable cost, Hongqi's EHS9 disrupts the traditional exclusivity associated with luxury cars. Imagine having a Rolls-Royce with only $80,000. That's one-fifth of the price. This affordability factor positions Hongqi uniquely, appealing to a diverse range of consumers who aspire to experience lavishness without breaking the bank. In the realm of high-end automobiles, this affordability stands as a testament to Hongqi's commitment to redefining luxury in a more accessible and exclusive manner. Strategic recruitment and design expertise. Hongqi's strategic decision to bring on board Giles Taylor, previously at the helm of Rolls-Royce design, was a game-changer. Taylor's wealth of experience in crafting luxurious automobiles, honed during his tenure at Rolls-Royce and Jaguar, has been instrumental. His expertise played a pivotal role in instilling the quintessential Rolls-Royce essence into Hongqi's vehicles. This infusion of top-tier design principles, garnered from his illustrious background, has significantly elevated the sophistication and elegance of Hongqi's car lineup. Taylor's influence has proven indispensable in shaping the identity of Hongqi's offerings, ensuring that they not only meet but also rival the standard set by established luxury car manufacturers. Wondering what's next in the world of luxurious rides? Don't miss a beat. Subscribe below to stay updated on the latest happenings in the realm of opulent automobiles. From groundbreaking innovations to head-turning designs, we've got you covered. Subscribe now and join our community of luxury enthusiasts to be the first to know about the newest releases, in-depth reviews, and captivating insights. Cultural heritage and evolution. Prepare to be amazed by Hongqi's profound cultural legacy. As the eldest and most esteemed Chinese car brand, Hongqi's roots run deep. Its remarkable evolution from catering solely to high-ranking officials to embracing the general public signals a transformative shift and a wider perspective. This transition speaks volumes about Hongqi's adaptability and foresight, amplifying its allure and significance in today's world. By transcending its initial exclusivity, Hongqi has not only preserved its heritage but also expanded its relevance. This evolution serves as a testament to Hongqi's ability to adapt to changing times while retaining its core values, positioning itself as a cultural icon in the contemporary automotive landscape. Global expansion and technological innovation. Hongqi's foray into diverse global markets is a testament to its ambition for worldwide acclaim. The EHS9 stands as a beacon of cutting-edge innovation, adorned with advanced technological features that cater to the evolving needs of luxury car enthusiasts. Its expansion strategy signifies a bold pursuit of international recognition, signaling Hongqi's intent to solidify its position in the global automotive sphere. Boasting a Level 3 Plus autonomous driving system, smart screens, and remarkable battery capacities, the EHS9 harmoniously aligns with the discerning demands of the luxury car market. This technological prowess not only showcases Hongqi's commitment to innovation, but also positions the EHS9 as a frontrunner in the realm of opulent vehicles on a global scale. Have you ever pondered the evolution of luxury cars and what sets them apart? The automotive industry's relentless pursuit of innovation constantly redefines our expectations. As we delve deeper into the realm of opulent vehicles, exploring the clash between established luxury giants and emerging contenders like Hongqi, the landscape unfolds with surprises. Luxe Life Living wants to hear from you. Let us know your thoughts with the new Hongqi EHS9, and if it is as luxurious as you thought it to be. Let the discussion commence in the comments below. Competitive features and performance. The Hongqi EHS9 exudes exceptional performance, setting new benchmarks in the luxury car realm. With its diverse battery capacities and substantial driving ranges, it offers unparalleled versatility, high horsepower, rapid charging capabilities, and a suite of advanced features including intelligent sensors, remote control functionality, and over-the-air updates underline its cutting-edge nature. These remarkable attributes position the EHS9 not just on par, but often surpassing established luxury car manufacturers. Hongqi's dedication to innovation shines through, delivering a vehicle that not only meets but exceeds the stringent expectations of modern car enthusiasts. The EHS9 stands as a testament to Hongqi's commitment to pushing the boundaries and redefining excellence in the competitive landscape of luxury automobiles. Market penetration and recognition. The swift infiltration of Hongqi vehicles into global markets, exemplified by Norway's milestone of 1,000 units received within 6 months, and their integration into esteemed fleets like the Dubai Police, underscores a burgeoning acknowledgement and embrace worldwide. This rapid acceptance signifies an ascending recognition of Hongqi's prowess and appeal on a global stage. Such milestones spotlight not just the growing market share, but also the resonance of Hongqi's vehicles across diverse regions. Their inclusion in prestigious fleets solidifies Hongqi's credibility and demonstrates their ability to captivate not just individual consumers, but also institutions seeking elegance in their automotive choices. These milestones reflect a promising trajectory for Hongqi, affirming its burgeoning presence and acceptance on an international level. Challenges and room for improvement. Despite significant advancements, Hongqi encounters room for improvement, particularly in interior materials where the use of plastics rather than premium materials like iron or wood stands out as a noteworthy challenge. This choice may hinder the perception of opulence expected in luxury vehicles. Nevertheless, there's optimism that Hongqi will rectify these shortcomings in forthcoming iterations. Anticipated upgrades and refinements in material selections are poised to elevate the interior quality, aligning it more closely with the elevated standards synonymous with luxury vehicles. As Hongqi continues its journey of innovation and refinement, addressing these aspects will likely further cement its standing in the competitive landscape, catering to the discerning tastes of luxury car enthusiasts. As we conclude this journey into the realm of opulent automobiles, I hope you've enjoyed exploring the exciting emergence of Hongqi and its impact on the luxury car industry. For more captivating content delving into the world of lavish living and cutting-edge automotive advancements, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to Luxe Life Living, and don't forget to share this video with fellow enthusiasts. Your support fuels our passion for delivering exclusive insights into the luxurious side of life. Stay tuned for more thrilling updates and comparisons in the world of luxury vehicles.